Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a saltfish patties. These are basically very popular in the BVI as far as I know. So let's get straight into it. I have here in my bowl 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To this I'm going to add some salt. This is a half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add some baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Let me just quickly whisk these ingredients together. Now I'm going to add the butter. That is 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to get my hands in there and mix it in together. Oops. I'll be back. So now that has been nicely mixed in together, I am going to use some water to form a dough. That's about 3/4 to 1 cup of water. So let me finish this and I'll be back again. Okay, so here's my dough. Now I'll go ahead and let it rest about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, this is the ingredients for the filling. I have basically 1 medium onion finely diced. I have 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. And this is about a small sweet pepper that I chopped up very finely. This is about 8 ounces of saltfish or codfish, you may call it. Basically I desalted it quite a few times. I'll leave a link in the top right hand part of the screen how I desalt my saltfish. And I have here about 2 tablespoons of I have some parsley and some chive that I finely chopped up here. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. Bear with me, my lighting is getting less and less. So I'm going to add about, I think I said I added about 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to add the onion now. I have my fire basically on medium. I'm going to stir in the garlic now. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Now I'm going to add the chive and the parsley. I'm going to add the saltfish. Some people like to add ketchup to this, but I prefer not to. I just want to have basically keep it to natural ingredients, natural raw ingredients. I'm going to add a bit of black pepper to give it a little spice. You could add pepper sauce if you wish. Now you can leave out the black pepper, especially if you're making this for kids to enjoy and stuff. People who don't like pepper, so you can leave out the black pepper. I hope you can still get it because my lighting is getting really poor now. It's getting late now. You can imagine it's only 5 o'clock. So I'm hoping I can finish this before the end of the day. Alright, so this is about 3 minutes and then I'll turn off the stove. Now let's let it simmer for 2 minutes again, then I'll turn off the stove. Okay, so here's my dough looking nice and lovely. This is after approximately 20 to 25 minutes. So what I'm going to do next now, I'm going to separate them into balls and start to put everything together. Separate them into balls, roll them out, and fill them with the patty and form our patties. Okay, so here's my dough. This is half of the dough. The whole big dough that I had, I cut it into half, and this is 1/2 of the dough. So what I'm going to do, I just like to do it in sections, easier for me, right? So I dust my board with a little bit of flour. Just roll it out like a shape like this. I'm just gonna cut it into like 4 pieces, equal pieces. Yeah, about that. Should do it. Yeah. And then I'll just take each piece and fold it into a ball like how I normally do. Simple, nothing fancy. And next I'm just going to roll out these balls. Roll them out and fill them. Fill them with the saltfish filling. So basically I got like eight balls from this recipe. So here are balls. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 balls. Okay, so here we go again on my cutting board, on my working surface. This is my saltfish filling here, looking all lovely. I love the combination with the red and the green. Red from the sweet peppers and the green from the herbs and stuff. I love that sort of thing. Okay, so let's roll out the dough and fill it with this saltfish filling. So I've already dusted my board with a bit of flour. So I'm just going to roll it out. Simple. Let me just roll this out and I'll be back because I'm kind of in an awkward position. Now that has been done, I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of the filling. That should do it. Just fold this over like that. And just simply use a fork and just press the ends like this just to pull everything together. Don't forget to check out my birthday giveaway. I'll leave a link on the top right hand part of the screen. The drawing will be on Sunday, February 25th. So you have a few more days to go. So check it out. You have to leave a comment on that particular video to be able to partake, and also you should be a subscriber to my channel. So check it out, and I look forward to see your input on and registration for this giveaway. Good luck. Just give it a slight press to let the filling just spread out, and that's it for this one. So I'll continue this and finish up the rest of the dough that I have rolled up there. So I'll be back again. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done rolling out my patties and forming them. So remember I told you I got 8 patties all together, 8 balls to make patties all together. Well, what I'm doing, I'm going to put four of them in the oven, and I'm going to fry the other 4. So letting you see that you're flexible with them, and the results when they look how they look when they're fried and how they look when they're baked. So for these other 4, I'm going to fry these other four patties. Okay, so here's my patty on the stove. Again, excuse my lighting. I have my fire, the pot is hot and the oil is hot, and I have my fire basically at medium heat, right, to allow everything to cook properly, and just basically let everything to cook well on both sides, get nice color, and that's it. And of course, like when we're doing like fried bakes and stuff, it will drop to the bottom initially, and then they will float to the top. Oh, I forgot to mention too, I make these pretty big. You could make them smaller so you could get more for this recipe. Okay, these are the 4 patties that I fried, and for the one that I'm baking, the oven is set at 350 degrees. I just put them in, and yes, I'll be back when that is done. Okay folks, here are the patties, they're all done. The ones that I had in the oven, they took a little longer to get color. And the reason why it took so long is because I wanted them to get color. And I think it took about 35 minutes for them to get this color. So that's it for today. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button. Leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Take care. Bye-bye.